Welcome to GP English Grammar. This is GP Yadav. In the previous videos, we knew about correct form of verbs in detail. Majority of the learners, those who are studying 10th class, those who are going to appear for 10th examinations all over the state, posted in the comment box, "Sir, could you please do exercises page number 66 and 67?" So that's why, for the sake of, I would like to explain the exercises. Actually, those which are page number 66, 67 regarding verb forms, those are in the form of conversation. Sometimes directly the question paper setters may be given these exercises, but if you prepare well violating these exercises, but certainly this may be given, but we are unable to write the answers. So that's why in this video I would like to edit and explain in a simple manner, in detail. If you watch this video at the end of, you are able to understand the page exercises, page number 66 and 67. Now let us move on to the topic. Fill in the blanks with the suitable forms of verbs given in the brackets. So these exercises are in the form of conversation, but mainly regarding this question, in the blueprint, only 3 tenses are tested, which are simple past tense, present perfect tense, past perfect tense. In page number 66 and 67, here these exercises, simple past tense and present perfect tense, will be tested in the form of conversation. First, look at the first question. Is your brother in? This is the question. No, he is not. He does go to Chennai. So this is the question. Is your brother in? No, he is not. He does go to Chennai. How can we fill this blank? He has gone to Chennai. So here, this expression refers to present perfect tense. The sentence begins with the third person singular he. The suitable helping verb has. So the go first form of changed as third form. The right and suitable answer is has gone to Chennai. Now come to the next point. When does he does go to Chennai? Yesterday. So here indication is very clearly mentioned. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last century, last decade, in 2000, any previous year. So these are the adverbial indications for finding the simple past tense. So that means in that expression, here very clearly, simple past tense is mentioned. That's why this is the question form. So when after WH, so which suitable helping verb in simple past tense? Did. When did he go to Chennai? When did he already there? Go to Chennai. When did he go to Chennai? So actually he has gone to Chennai, but the continuation of the conversation, when did he go to Chennai? Here, yesterday. The right answer is yesterday. WH plus helping verb plus first form of the verb. So this is the right answer. Now look at the second question. I dash lost my pencil. Continuation of this conversation. So this expression is refers to simple past tense. Lost, lost. So the correct form of the verb in the blank is I lost my pencil. Dash. This is refers to present perfect tense. Have You seen it anywhere. This expression, I lost my pencil. Have you seen it anywhere? So here, this is the V2 form, refers to simple present tense. This expression is refers to present perfect tense, but here also question form. So if the subject is we, you, they, any plural, have. If the question, verbal question begins with have, so that's why have V3 form. Have you seen? So in that blank have, here seen. This is the right answer. Now let me come to the next point. No I dash. Actually the same expression is continued in the conversation. No I haven't. Present perfect tense. No I have not. The short form is no I haven't. So next to simple past tense, continuation of the simple past tense. When did you last use this pencil? So here did, so here use. The first expression is present perfect tense, I haven't. Next expression is simple past tense. This expression is in simple past tense. Did is suitable. When did you last? This is the first form of the verb. Use the pencil. Next continuation. I dash use it where I was in the class. Here there are two sentences. This is in simple past tense. The second sentence should be in simple past tense. Already was is there. So this refers to simple past tense. The right answer is I used it when I was in the class. This is the continuation of the expressions. Perhaps you dash leave it in the class. So continuation of the simple past tense. You left it in the class. Leave, the second form, the third form, leave, left. The second form is suitable here. So leave, which is the second form of the verb leave, left. You left it in the class. So this is the way to fill the blank which are given in the page number 67 and 68. Let us see next slide. Dash Madhu not arrived yet. So if you observe this sentence, yet, since, for, already, this morning, today, recently, these are the adverb indications of finding the present perfect tense. So before going to answer, you should remember this. Yet, this is the negative expression. Yet refers to negative expression. So Madhu, this is the question form. Has Madhu not arrived yet? Has Madhu not arrived yet? This is the present perfect tense. So Madhu is the singular, that's why has. But here V3 form arrived, negative form is also same. So the right answer is has Madhu not arrived yet. Next continuation, B continuation. No, he hasn't. No, he hasn't. The continuation of the present to perfect tense. But he already arrived. He has already arrived. Already refers to present perfect tense. Next B. Continuation. This is the present perfect continuation in the conversation ABC. B. Have you talked to him? Have you? So here have talked. V3. Have you talked to him? C. No, I dash. I merely dash him. Continuation of the present perfect tense. So that's why no, I haven't. I merely have seen him. So A, B, C. This is the conversation. The total conversation is in present perfect tense. Now let us see. So that cannot be Madhu. He may have been somebody else. A. Have you called me mother? Yes, I have called. Have you seen diary today? So today is the refers to present perfect tense. So this is also present perfect tense. Next, come to the next point. I dash put it on the table last night. So here very clearly last night, yesterday, last month, which refers to simple past tense. Put, put, put. So second form of the verb is also put. I put it on the table last night. I put it on the table last night. I have looked all over the house for it, but I have not found it anywhere. This is the present perfect tense. I did see it on the table this morning. This morning refers to present perfect tense, so that's why I have seen. I remember, right? Maybe father has taken it with him by mistake. So this is the present perfect tense. Next, look at the next slide. Next, fifth one. Do you know this Geeta? Yes, I dash know her for nearly 4 years. So 4 years, for 4 years. Since or for refers to present perfect tense. That's why I have known is the right answer in that blank. It dash at a high school that it was. This is the simple past tense. It was. I first dash here in 2009. Why here in the past tense? I first saw her in 2009. I dash work with her for several years. For refers to present perfect tense. I have worked with her for several years. Recently is the indication of present perfect tense. We have met at the wedding of a mutual friend of us. These are the exercises. For this exercise, I would like to guide you to all 10th class students, those who are appearing for the examinations. First, you remember the indications of simple past tense and present perfect tense. And if you go through the once or twice, then only you are able to write the answers. Sometimes directly these sentences may be given at the final examinations. You are afraid of writing the answers. At the same time, you are advised to watch the video correct form of verbs which was on the YouTube. Okay friends, if you like this video, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you for watching this video.